Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location and granting Google Maps microphone and location permissions. This lets Maps calculate routes and accept voice prompts. Once done, open Maps and tap your profile right arrow navigation settings to choose voice level and language, because the correct voice pack ensures audible cues. Make sure your media volume is up and Do Not Disturb allows alarms or navigation sound. Without these, instructions may be silent, even though navigation is. You input the destination and select directions so Maps can compute the route. Choose the appropriate transport mode since voice prompts vary by mode. After selecting the route, tap Start to initiate turn-by-turn guidance. While navigating, use the navigation settings to adjust voice volume and content, brief, detailed, or alerts only, because this controls the verbosity of spoken directions. If you want hands-free interaction, enable OK Google or Assistant for voice commands en route. You finish by refining voice language, and if offline, download voice packs and map settings so directions speak reliably without data. If audio still fails, restart the app, check app permissions again, and clear Maps cache. This fixes many playback issues. When using Bluetooth, make sure media audio is enabled for the connected device. As a final check, run a short test route and listen. If you still don't hear guidance, reboot the phone and verify system TTS engine is set to Google Text-to-Speech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.